What's up, everybody? You're now tuned in for another adventure with the South Strangler Fishing. Sorry, it's been a while, guys. Just busy with work, and I've been sheepshead fishing in an area where I'm really not trying to shoot the footage. So yeah, that's why I haven't really been putting footage out. I've been fishing for them pretty much the whole summer. I hit 12 so far. Probably broke off on just as many. Biggest was 11 pounds. Pretty cool stuff, man. Right now I'm actually just coming back in from the ocean trying to catch a cobia on the bunker pods. I broke off on something decent out there, as you'll see in this video. I hit a smaller shark. I didn't have my camera on at the time. I thought it was rolling. It wasn't rolling, but pretty cool. It's my second time going into the ocean. All I can tell you is go with your safety equipment, pick and choose your days, make sure it's nice and calm out there, pick and choose your tides. It was a wonderful experience, to say the least. So yeah, I got over that fear of going into the ocean. So yeah, you'll see some of that footage. You'll see some of the sheepshead footage. Also, last week I had hopped on my brother's boat and heartbreaking, lost the cobia boat side, as you'll see in this video. It pissed me off. You'll see me throwing my rod. It's kind of upset. It was my first time targeting the cobia, and sure enough, I locked in, and yeah, I lost them both sides. So you'll see that in the video. It was heartbreaking. Just want to give a special shout out to Heel Fish, the clothing company. They sent me this shirt to review. I mean, it's pretty awesome. It's good for the skin, blocks the sun, has a face mask built into it, comes with a hoodie. They come in some nice colors. I picked the camo blue. I like this, you know, we're on the water, so I picked the camo blue. But they have a bunch of different colors. It's lightweight. It's good when you wash it. It doesn't shrink. I think they're like $25 or something like that, $24.99. But yeah, go check them out, heelfish.com, and see if there's anything that you like on there. I mean, I like it a lot. I'm gonna give me another color. I gotta go on their website and see what it's about. So yeah, I hope everybody enjoys this video. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button, and remember, stay tuned. We out here, guys. About to see if we hit us some cobia or something. About to go play with these bunker pods. Got Captain Rodney behind me, my big brother, little Bobby, myself. We're chasing right now. Heading out of Jamaica Bay, about to hit the ocean. Gonna peel off. If it's something big, it's gonna peel off.
Whose is that? Is that yours?
Yeah, nah. Don't laugh. There we go. Oh, damn. There we go. Oh, there we go. Oh,
is he still on it? Real, Scholar, real.
No, he's not on there. I lost him. Oh, he is on there.
Yeah, real.
Is that a cobia?
Real.
I think it's a cobia. It is a cobia.
Real.
It's a cobia. Oh no, it's a shark? No, it's a cobia.
Real,
you got the net?
I got it get.
Oh no, it's a shark. No, it's a cobia?
Realness, guys, it's a cobia.
It's a cobia.
It's a cobia.
Come on, Rod. Come on, please.
Where's he at?
It's right here. Come on. Oh.
Okay, Charles.
Hey, just find him. You got this nice tight?
Yeah, I'm good. Hold on, don't pull on. Please. If I lose him, let me lose him. Oh, he swallowed. He's in there. Oh!
Is there a captain in there?
Heading out into this ocean, baby. About to hit one of them Cobias on the yak. Let's get it. We out here. Ton of boats out there right now. It's glass out here, as you can see. Oh, bunker pod right there. That's what I was searching for. Trying to get us a Cobia. I got a pod right there working. We're gonna get to that. Let me just tie my leader. Should have been prepared, but I'm not. Anyway, let's see if we could get one and done and get up out of here. Nice little school. See if we can get some. There we go. Got us a bunker. Let's see if we get us a takeoff. Oh. Something hit it. Oh, something hit it again. Something hit it again. Oh my. Oh, fucking shark. First sheepy of the year. Sheepy number 2. Check them out. Sheepy number 3, guys. 1.5 inch. Number 3. Let's get it. For fatty. Number 6. He's a beast. He's a beast. Check out number 7, guys. I gotta stand up so you can see how big that fish is. He's a beast. That's number 7. That's number 7. All right, guys. It's number 9. That's number 9. A monster. A monster. We're gonna release him. Let's get him back. All right, guys. Number 10. Let's get him back. All right, guys. That's number 11. Number 11, guys. Let's get him back in the water. Number 11 for the year. Number 12, guys. Number 12 on the Green Hornet. Number 12 is a beast right there.